Introducing Lowell Professional Strip No Wax, a premium stripless wax specially designed for sensitive areas like the face, underarms, and bikini line. Its gentle yet effective formula adheres to the hair, not the skin, ensuring a less painful and irritation-free experience. With no strips needed, the wax hardens on its own, allowing for easy removal while effectively gripping even the shortest and finest hairs from the root. Let's start with the preparation. Before we begin, it's important to sanitize your hands to ensure a clean and hygienic waxing experience. You can use Lowell Professional Safe Touch Gel or wash your hands thoroughly. Let's begin by opening the Lowell Professional Strip No Wax tin box. Inside, you'll find convenient wax cubes, making it easy to use the exact amount you need. Now, place the cubes into your wax heater. Heat the Strip No Wax until it melts into a smooth, honey-like consistency. This usually takes just a few minutes. Always test the temperature of the wax on the back of your hand before applying it to ensure it's warm, not hot. Safety and comfort are key. Let's start the application by preparing your skin for a smooth and effective waxing experience. First, apply Lowell Professional Deep Cleanser to remove any dirt, oil or makeup from skin. This ensures a clean surface for waxing. Next, apply Lowell Professional Purging Gel. This step helps to tighten the pores and prepare the skin for waxing. It also reduces discomfort and ensures better hair removal. Now, lightly dust the area with purging powder. The powder absorbs any excess moisture and ensures the wax adheres only to the hair, not the skin. Now, take a small amount of melted Strip No Wax using a spatula. Apply it in the direction of hair growth, spreading it evenly in a thin layer. Wait a few seconds for the wax to set. Gently touch it with your fingers to check if it's ready. If it doesn't stick and feels firm, it's time to remove it. Quickly remove in the opposite direction of hair growth. Now, let's move on to the chin area. This is another delicate area that requires precision and care. Using a spatula, take a small amount of melted Strip No Wax and apply it in the direction of hair growth. Use smooth, controlled strokes to spread the wax evenly in a thin layer. Wait a few seconds for the wax to set. Gently touch the wax with your fingers to check if it's ready. If it doesn't stick to your fingers and feels firm, it's time to remove it. Let's dive into how to wax the side locks area effortlessly using Lowell Professional Strip No Wax. Since the side locks area is small, less wax is needed. Focus on precision and even coverage. Remember, smooth and controlled movements are your best friend. Next up, let's tackle finger hair. With Lowell Professional Strip No Wax, even the smallest areas can be waxed with ease. Remember, smooth and controlled movements are your best friend. Stay confident, stay beautiful. Now, let's take care of your skin for the best results. Apply Lowell Professional Rehydrating Lotion to calm the skin and remove any wax residue. This helps prevent redness and irritation. It also helps reduce the risk of bumps, breakouts, or rashes, ensuring a smooth and irritation-free finish.